Welcome fellas into this new video to Express. Today let's talk a little more about creating a portfolio website with Wix. So I'm going to be showing you the AI site generator for heavy lifting and how to set up a dynamic pages in less than 30 seconds actually. So the first AI driven setup, which is choosing to start with an AI option, you can find it directly when you generate an actual Wix account, which is totally for free. You can focus directly through your sites. Where it says all your sites, you can see that we have all of these sites that basically are just trial modes, so we're not going to be focusing a lot in that. So today I'm going to be clicking into the one that says create an actual new site. So automatically we have this new option that says let's personalize your journey, so we can choose like to share your ideas and customize the setup in the actual site. So you can rather check out the chat with AI or set up without a chat. So usually what I do is to look how the element that says chat with the artificial intelligence. Basically what's going to happen in here is that the AI is going to be asking you a bunch of questions about your idea, about your portfolio in our case. And what you want to do is just to tell exactly what you are into. Let's say for example, tell me what your site is all about. I can type I am a freelance UI designer. Then something else that I can do is what do you want? Let's say for example I want a brutalist high contrast portfolio with a focus, I don't know, on large typography. Then based on what you asked is going to be asking you a few more questions. For example, sometimes it asks you like, what kind of works have you done lately? What kind of colors would you like to add? So in my case it says what is the name you'd like to use for your freelance business or portfolio. Let's say Tech Express Designs, right? So just take your time to answer all of the questions that Wix asks you, so you can continue. And to make this process really fast, you want it to be a little bit more accurate and precise of what you actually want. So it says I suggest adding a portfolio. Would you like to add it to your site? Let's say yes please. And into the left side you can see that we have like a preview on the summary of what is going to be appearing into my website. Like let's say it's been crafted as we are speaking now to the AI. Now it says I recommend adding a contact form to the inquiries. That sounds good. Let's say yes. And if you wanted to add additionally something to all of the facts, you can just let it happen. Now to make your site unique, it says one core belief philosophy that drives your design to work. This is going to be really important because sometimes this might be appearing directly through the header of my website. So the one core belief, let's say for example I'm going to type something really basic, but you can just take your time here. In my case, let's go for you think of an idea, we made it real. I don't know, something like that. Now case in point, you can use the Wix Pro gallery if you want to, because it's now optimized nowadays. The writing that displays and protects your images from being writing, and you can click directly here into save. Now when you generate your actual website, basically the last step is to adding a portfolio. You can add forms. In my case I want to do it. I can add a blog and an online store. I just wanted to focus with the portfolio stuff, and I'm going to go for continue. Now this will be leading you directly through the actual dashboard. The actual dashboard will be helping you to check out all of the marketing tools, basically all the tools that are available for your actual website. But today what you wanted to do is to focus into the setup of your actual website. Into the upper right section that says design your site, just click directly inside here and you can generate an actual website with artificial intelligence. So just you don't want to click the AI generation, stick directly into it. So the client wants to know how. So the client of the AI text tool is the product page. You can select generate case study, for example. So you can feed out your product notes, and with draft professional case study you can edit this to add personal voice, and you're actually good to go. So basically what I wanted to do are two things. The first thing, this is totally up to you, is to design your actual website. So I'm going to design it with artificial intelligence to make this process a little bit much more faster. And you can see that here is the generation of my website based into all the answers that I tell them. And in my case, since I am a UI designer, it will be showing me, let's say, some kind of stuff like this. And if this actually works for you, just go for the element that says continue with the design. If not, you can tweak the design or you regenerate the design. In my case, I'm going to continue with this specific design, and I go for continue with the actual editor. You can change the colors, you can change the images, you can add your own stuff for your portfolio, you can add your contact information. This will be taking a lot of time. We have an actual full tutorial to check out all the elements of Wix, the tools, how to get started generating an actual website, how to get started with marketing tools, how to get started selling if you have an online store. So I strongly suggest to check out directly into the comments below. But basically here, this is how you can actually generate an actual website with the artificial intelligence. So what you can do is now just click into the element that you would like to change, go for quick edit, and into the right section you can see that we can change the actual content of our own website. When you finish with that, go for the option that says save. I don't recommend you to hit into the element that says published until you have all of the elements ready to be set them up. Now back directly into the account section, what you can do is to check out your own website that were generated. I'm going to try to reload the actual page. I select the website that I have just generated, and directly here into my dashboard I can check out more stuff. For example, there is the AI agent that can be helping me with marketing, with the front desk agents, with the scheduling. Here the setup will be helping me to get an actual business email if you wanted to, generate projects for your portfolio, get found into Google, and make these things sort of happen. So basically that will be actually it, a really basic solution of how you can get started with an actual portfolio with Wix. If you have any questions, you can let us know in the comments below. Don't forget guys to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. What are some more great tools like this? Take your time to add as much information as you can possibly can about your portfolio, your work. Thank you for watching guys, and see you next time.